Hello everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I am here today to bring you this review on Pound of Love. I know a lot of you crocheters and knitters have seen this Pound of Love in stores and have purchased it either there or online. And this color is called Terracotta. This is the color of the year that Lion Brand chose. It's very beautiful. So let's get into the specs. This is 16 ounces. It's 454 grams. This is 1,020 yards, 930 meters. This is a medium weight 4. The recommended hook size is a J10 6mm hook, which is this right here. And for the knitting needles, you will need a 5mm and 8. This is 100% premium acrylic, and it's machine wash and dry. This is made in Turkey. Oh my goodness, you have a lot of yardage in here, and look at this colorway. I mean, very, very nice. It has a little softness to it, and it reminds me of cashmere when I look at it, actually. And I love the packaging, this nice little sleeve on it. So far, what I have made is this beautiful pattern that Bagel Day Crochet made on her channel. This is actually complete, this headband. I just haven't put it together, but if you're interested, take a look. She has a mommy and me tutorial, and what I'll do is put her link in my description box below if you're interested. I am going to make this for my oldest daughter and for my granddaughter, my only granddaughter, Michaela. So for Jonelle and Michaela, I will be making this. This was, I want to say it was 60 chains that Crystal did on Bagel Day Crochet for the woman's headband, for her headband. And she made it the same size for her daughter also. But actually, I made mine a little bit smaller because my granddaughter is younger than Crystal's daughter, than Evelyn. So I actually made 50. I made 50 chains here, but it's the same pattern. And it works up very beautifully. I just love the bobble stitching, you know, this nice little pop in the center of the beanie. Very beautiful. But like I said, I'm going to put this in the description box below if you're interested. And I also so far have made this headband. I made this on the Addy. Look at it. Isn't this nice? So I have so much yarn left, and I am excited to see how much that I can make with this, because I haven't even scratched the surface yet. And I'm working from the center. It was a center pull, which was great. Something that we all want as knitters and crocheters or crafters. We want to be able to do a center pull, so it'll just be easy for us to work our projects. So I hope this review was very helpful for someone out there that's not really sure about Pound of Love, because the sticker price is pretty high. If you look on the Lion Brand website, this is $11.69. I did get this on sale. I want to say I spent maybe $9 and some change on this. And I want to say it was $9.49 when I purchased it. But I think it's still a great bargain, because just think about how many projects you can make out of this. And if you're selling your projects and you're not gifting them, just think, one garment, one headband. I mean, all you're doing is using your time. So I think it's well worth it. If you could sell one project for 50 bucks, I mean, you've won. And you've only spent $11.99 on this skein of yarn. So just think about that when you're actually doing some shopping out there. One thing I did want to mention is there are 14 colors on the Lion Brand website that are available. And also There are over 8,000 free patterns out there on Lion Brand, so go and check them out. And out of that 8,000, so far, right now, they have 29 patterns using this yarn, this Pound of Love. So it was wonderful talking to you all. Thank you so much for watching my ads, my videos, and just showing me love and support. For those of you that are able to comment or can't comment, I see you. And thank you so much for being there for me. I greatly appreciate it. You guys have a safe and wonderful year to start off, and have a glorious day. Thank you for watching.